There's no bait and switch. There's no and there's more or upgrades that are mysterious that, basically piss you off when you join a Save Club. I like it because when I say it's $19.97 a month, guys, that's what it costs just to be a member of the Save Club. Most people that join, they save way over 20 bucks a month on everything you can imagine. Just name it. I'm pretty sure you can go in the search engine and just the little space bar, put in automotive repair, tires, vacation, travel, Sirius XM, purple mattress, tires at Discount Tire. These are some of the things that I've saved money on. Okay, so it's $19.97 a month. Now, everyone that watches my channel on YouTube, it's about earning money, basically at home or on your computer, on your cell phone. Save Club is right down that aisle. This is probably my number one or two income that you should be looking at. Live Good's doing well. I've signed up way over 400 and something people in Live Good. I signed up someone just about an hour ago. And all the products on my little mini fridge there, Live Good, it's awesome. It's some nice, healthy products that you can put in your guts and hopefully make you feel good. But right now, the last couple weeks, about the last month, Save Club came into my life. And the reason I'm a big fan is because the infrastructure, even the web design of Live Good, that has taught me a lot about online business and how to invite people to click a link to watch a video, it's almost identical with Save Club. And as a matter of fact, there's an operating agreement with the owner, the CEO of Live Good, to where Save Club has basically the same website, the same similar pay plan. They're a little bit different, but I like the structure. I like how Save Club is based on saving people money on things they're already buying, but it's an affiliate where you can earn money too. Just like Live Good. It's wholesale pricing, but they pay commissions on memberships. So between both Live Good and Save Club, it's just a win-win. It didn't take me long to decide I'm gonna join Save Club. I'm gonna go ahead and make a lot of video, post about this opportunity with social media. I like Facebook the best. Younger kids, they seem to like TikTok, Instagram, but still there's X, Twitter, boom, Twitter, X, they're both the same. I think most people want it to just go back to Twitter. X sounds like we're promoting adult-oriented products. Maybe we are. Maybe you can go in the Save Club and type in pickle-shaped things or vibrating something, and I'm sure you can save. I have no doubt about it. I know that there's some crazy things that you can save. But with Live Good, I've learned a lot the last couple of years. And with Save Club, I do the same exact thing. And with Live Good, there's a couple million people joined, and right now I'm number 29 in the world out of 2 million. And already with Save Club, I'm number 7 on the leaderboard. So I'm excited. It means that the system, the technique, the routine I have with Live Good, I just copied the same thing with Save Club, and it's already put me number 7 in the world. So I want you to do the same thing. There's no competition. I want you to do exactly what I do. And if you have your own style or technique of doing things, great. But if you have no experience, then I want you to do exactly what I do. Make it fun. Just invite people to click a link, and that link will go to a video, and there's nothing left to do. The video explains what you're going to save. How do you use the Save Club? How much is it? $19.97. How much is the affiliate fee? Remember, it's $60. I love to mention money in the beginning because I don't want you to watch my videos and then at the end I come up with some ridiculous price and then I keep upgrading and upgrading, and before you know it, that $20 product is now $120 and $220. That's not Save Club. Very transparent. Do you want to save money? Good. Have a little faith. It's $19.97 a month. $20 minus 3 pennies, guys. Go through that whole darn thing and see if you can save money on things you're already buying or going to buy in the future. Like vacation, stuff like that. Now, every day, I always get an email or at least an inbox message from somebody out of the country. It's usually around Africa or it could be down below in Australia. But the most of my emails or just messages about when is Save Club going to have savings in my city or my country. Usually the Asian areas. I got, Portugal, but then I got Malaysia, China, and Japan. And I think I got Singapore yesterday or something, but I think you know what I mean. Everyone just wants to know, can I save money now on things I'm already buying? And all I can tell you is just go into saveclub.com. There's a little button that says My Deals. Click it and see if there's any type of savings in your country or city. And if not, give us time. The reason why is because today is June 16th. And we kicked this off officially June 1st. So we're only 16 days old. We have thousands and thousands of people to join in almost daily. Hardly any affiliates. That's why being an affiliate for $60, boy, it's sure paying off for me. About $1,000 a week cash I'm making. I saved $900 my first 40 days. 30, 40 days. I was just kind of screwing around on the pre-launch. I found out about Save Club. I joined during the pre-launch phase, and I was saving money even though the company didn't really say ready, set, go till June 1st. So I'm a big fan of saving money. I'm also a big fan of making $1,000 a week. I'm also a big fan of the funnel that I have. I have the only funnel available right now in Save Club. And it's already earned me $1,000, but it happens every month and gets bigger. It's recurring. Aside from Save Club, I've saved $900. I've made $1,000 a week. And on top of that, my funnel system, I had 4 signups today. That was a quick $80. Every funnel, if you sign up for the funnel, it's only $25. The company pays me $20. And then on top of that, the 20 comes every single month. So you can see that the funnel system, it can really be a cash cow. So I'm very excited. I think I'm going to have a couple thousand coming in a week, or a month, every month, getting bigger and bigger. As long as I just keep things fun, invite you to a link, click it, watch the videos. You're either in Save Club or out. Or if you're on the fence and you want to wait a little bit, there's an autoresponder built in to where Save Club will send you a nice email every day giving you more information. Do you want to join? Are you on the fence still? Or just hit unsubscribe? Awesome. But are you in, out, or maybe? Sounds like a date in the back seat of a Trans Am, don't it? All right, guys. This is how I've been able to reach number 7 in the world with Save Club already. Joinsaveclub.org. That's the official sign-up link. I want you to go there, fill out your information like your name, email address, and then hit the orange button. You'll see what I mean. You're going to get an email from Save Club. Open it up and join. Or if you don't join, you're going to get a nice email once a day, and you can unsubscribe if you want. But go ahead and collect those emails. They just tell you a little bit more about Save Club, so you have a good decision to make. Like, am I in, out, or maybe? Okay? Now, here's the funnel system I was telling you folks about. Save Club Funnels with an S, saveclubfunnels.com. Click it. You're going to watch a 20-minute video because I want you to use that video to send to people to watch. And my gosh almighty, it explains everything about Save Club on your behalf. So if you don't want to do video, you're a little shy, or maybe you're just busy. You just want to churn and burn. You want to invite people to the video and say, okay, thanks for your time, guys. The video takes over. There's customer support. If there's any questions about how to pay with Bitcoin, or maybe your bank is messed up with your debit card, or you have a question about the website, get a hold of Save Club. They have a nice customer support system. So support at saveclub.com. It's very simple. And both those links, they will give you information other than what I'm telling you now. And then on top of that, there's a link where you can join as an affiliate. But I highly suggest that you join now because we're only 16 days old and we have thousands of people signing up daily. And on top of that, we're on par to do about 1 million in the next 12 months of members. 2 million, 3 million. If you look at any savings club from like Orbitz to Priceline.com, what's the other one? Groupon. They have anywhere from 5 to 10 million. And right now, our opportunity is beating most of them in prices on hotels, flights, a lift to the airport using Lyft, Sirius XM, and they're going to bring in diesel and gasoline because I drive like a maniac and I can't wait to save money on that. Walmart's in there, Lowe's, Papa Murphy's, Papa John's, Burger King, Wendy's. All right. Yes. Popeyes even. You want some chicken? I love chicken. But there's tens of thousands of deals already in there. But like I said, give us some time, guys. We're only 16 days old. We're going to get over to Australia. We're going to get over to Asian areas, and of course, South Africa. And down below, I have a group of real nice friends in New Zealand, Australia, and that little island out in the middle of nowhere called New Guinea. Okay, this is an international business. While you're sleeping, you have the potential to earn. When you're biking or breakdancing or, I don't know, going to the movies. Yes, Save Club's good right out there. It's like, hey, you want to click something? Watch this little video. And boom, you can make a lot of $20 bills. When you get to a certain rank, you get $32. So 20 to $32. And on top of that, once a month, you get a nice matching bonus of your team, of your group. And boy, does that turn into some big, holy moly, I can't say. Let's just say moolah. How about that? I was going to say shamoles, and that's not even a word. I just made it up. So those are the links. I've been purposely keeping them on my screen so you can write them down or just screenshot. joinsaveclub.org. Go there, check out the flow. In the funnel system, $25. I've saved, I think I got 70 people now signed up with saveclubfunnels.com. And I've signed up about, 50 at least just signing up with Save Club. So look at both these links. If you join, I'm going to send you a nice email. I want you to copy everything I do and then come up with your own techniques, system. Send me a video. Send me what's working for you. Okay, I'll help you out as much as I can because if you make money, so do I. So I have the best intentions to help you. Okay, and we might meet one day and we can kind of talk about the good old days or what's working and what's not. But at the end of the day, if you make more money, I make more money. And if I make more money, we have the spillover with the compensation plan. So we can kind of take care of each other, take care of our team. You want to take care of your group, especially when they start joining, okay? So saveclubfunnels.com, $25. You're joining a team, 2 teams, more pictures, more video. I think you're going to really like saveclubfunnels.com. Like I said, it's $25. And then joinsaveclub.org. That's going to cost you $60 to be an affiliate plus the $19.97 per month. Very cheap. So for about $105, guys, you can join as a member, an affiliate, and get that darn funnel. And then we'll set it up. It's easy. It takes like 15 minutes. You just watch a video, copy, paste, hit save. And then let's earn you some dough. All right, or some moolah. There's some scratch. There's a lot of cool names for money, but I can't guarantee how much you're going to make. I always have to kind of do disclaimer. But guys, make this fun. Just post, take our pictures, take our materials, take our videos, and just do the best you can to upload. And guess what? We even have training videos, how to upload on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, how to write a post on Threads, Twitter, X, how to email. We have everything already covered. Everything's already covered. That's the beauty of joining a massive team that kicks butt versus a one person. Okie dokie smoky. Okay. All right. I'm going to end this video. Thanks for the last 13 minutes, guys. Get a hold of me anytime. I don't care if you're in my group or not. Cory at CoryDraper.com. And yes, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking that little button. Okay. All right. You guys have a good day. We'll talk to you next video. Okay. All right. Bye.